Hair spa, a good option or not? If you are frightened by the amount of hair loss and have made several attempts to regrow and revive the hair, but fail to do so, then hair spa can do wonders for the hair loss and many other hair-related problems. It generally involves shampooing, hair mask, massage, hot towel treatment, and thorough rinsing. Let's discuss hair spa, steps involved in hair spa, benefits of it, and more in detail. What is a hair spa? It is a hair care treatment that strengthens and conditions the hair follicles, nourishes the hair and re-energizes the roots of the hair and the scalp. It also aids the natural regrowth of the fallen, broken or damaged hair. In other words, hair spa is the de-stress therapy of the hair. It rehydrates the hair and restores the moisture content and the key oils required for healthy hair. What are the steps involved in hair spa? Generally, it consists of 5 basic steps that include 1. Shampooing. The basic procedure of the hair spa starts with washing of the hair with a shampoo to remove the dead skin cells and the dirt. It includes gentle massaging of the scalp with the shampoo, and this process is done generally for the 10 to 15 minutes to keep you relaxed and calm for the time being. Then the hair and the scalp is washed with normal water. This hair wash helps to cleanse the hair from dirt and sweat. After the thorough cleaning of the hair, you are ready for the next step. 2. Hair mask. Most important step that is done in a hair spa treatment, and also any hair spa treatment is incomplete without this step. It generally involves applying serum or a cream-like mask to the hair and leaving it there for a few minutes. This mask gets rid of flakes and dryness and nourishes, softens, strengthens and repairs the damaged hair, making the hair bright, smooth and frizz-free. 3. Massage. Massaging after applying the hair mask boosts the hair growth and improves the health of the hair by increasing the blood flow to the hair follicles. Massaging steps ensures that the serum or the cream mask which is applied reaches every corner of the scalp and the hair. 4. Steaming. It allows the opening of the pores present on the scalp that ultimately results in the increased absorption of the previously applied serum or cream mask. 5. Rinsing. After 15 to 20 minutes of steam, hair is washed thoroughly with water. In the end, pat dry your hair with a clean cloth. This completes the hair spa. Generally, it costs start from 500 rupees and also depends upon the length of the hair type and the time duration. Let's discuss the benefits of hair spa. 1. Pores of the scalp get clogged with dirt and dust because of too much oil secretion by sebaceous glands. Also, less oil production leads to the dry scalp, resulted in dull hair, dandruff and itchiness. Therefore, to overcome these problems, a hair spa 2 times a month should be done. It will not only treat the greasy hair but also helps in reducing the hair fall. 2. Massage is an important step of it. Massaging the hair and the scalp improves the circulation of the blood. It improves the circulation of the blood and promotes the growth of the hair. 3. If your hair roots are weak, hair fall will likely occur. Also, undernourished and dull hair will result from it. Therefore, it is very important to moisturize the hair follicles and the hair roots. Hair spa is designed to moisturize, nourish and revitalize the hair follicles, roots and the scalp. 4. Hair spa helps the scalp to be free from the impurities like pollution, dirt and likewise, therefore growth of the hair gets a stimulus. 5. Hair spa treatment while dealing with the hair fall, dandruff and damaged hair simultaneously make the hair shiny, strong and bouncy. Hair spa can be done at home if you don't have enough time to visit the salon frequently. 1. Take 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil or coconut oil or natural oil. Warm the oil a little bit, and apply to the scalp with your fingertips. You can also add lemon juice and vitamin E to the oil, massaging your scalp and hair for about 10 to 15 minutes. 2. Take towel and warm it and wrap it around the head. Leave the hair wrapped for about 5 to 10 minutes and then unwrap it. Washing the hair is the third step. Washing should always be done with normal or lukewarm water. Never use hot water as it can damage your hair and can make the hair weak and dry. 4. Make sure that the hair mask which you are applying should contain the ingredients of your specific concern. Always try to apply your mask starting from roots and moving towards the edges. People having long hair should make a bun after applying mask and cover it with a shower cap. Leave the mask for about 25 to 30 minutes and then thoroughly rinse with a mild shampoo and lukewarm water. Therefore, hair spa therapy comes up with many hair benefits like nourishment of the hair, healthy scalp, repairs damaged hair and many more. Hair spa treatment should be done at least twice a month to get healthy hair. There is no age for the hair spa treatment, but always remember that you should not use harsh products on the scalp and the hair. Tip: always use hair care products that best suit your hair texture. So this is all about hair spa. I hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe our channel, Derma Essentia.